I did notice that you're 5 today. Do you feel 5?
I feel like I'm older than 4.
Just today you do now?
Uh-huh.
Well, you are.
Yes.
Do you know what time of day you were born? 8:37 a.m. in the morning. And it was on a Wednesday
Yeah.
that you were born.
Yeah.
Yeah. And your birthday happens to be on a Wednesday.
Guess what I can do now?
What can you do? Oh my gosh.
Stand on my tippy to see the TV.
Lots of things come with turning 5, huh? Did you remember that Mommy and Daddy have a big birthday surprise for you later today? What did you think it is?
I don't know.
Too hard to guess, huh?
Where is it?
It's not here yet.
Are you gonna buy it?
Sort of. Have a good birthday.